guys, as a first-class noob, I'm trying to learn how to game with an NVIDIA card, with all the tools, with all the videos I've made and all the things I've put already online on YouTube, all the settings, Zen kernel and all that. I've just linked Steam to it, so in privacy settings you have to set it to public, and then you get all of this. And I thought I have not recorded, I think I have not recorded the Rise of the Tomb Raider. Let's do that as well. And let's see, connecting Steam, preparing, skipping. And while it's doing that, I thought there would be an icon up here. So, Tomb Raider, Rise of the Tomb Raider, there you are. Add to desktop. Why? Let's compare these two guys. No comparisons possible. Ooh, voila, Super F5. Nothing works if the software is not there. Now it is. Compare. So I've been playing around with game mode run things. Mango Hut. I would like to put a Mango Hut. Control C as well in front of the exec here. Mango Hut. Let's have a look how that works. Save. I'm gonna skip this guy. Stop this guy actually. Click on this guy. Skip this thing. By Lutris. And off we go. A little bit bigger. I think we need to say that. Send automatically. Do not send. Blah blah blah. Continue anyway. Display. Run in the window. Not really, no. This is good. But full screen. Am I missing the point? Please choose a monitor. I have only one monitor, so that's not going to be an issue. I guess it will play in full screen when I press, and if I press play. How about advanced? So you know what I'm working with. GTX 4 with Vulkan. I can add more advanced options since I'm a noob. It's 0 options. And off we go and kill ourselves. Well, I'm always stuck with games, so probably gonna, don't know what I'll do. I'll start with the very beginning, the noob setting. Always safest, and even then, I wonder, why is my brain not wired for games? So we've done a lot of things. What we've done, we've added in grub something. Take a look at the YouTube videos about NVIDIA. We've added grub in there. We've added modules in make init CPIO. And we should actually see some figures up there. Ah, space, yes. Skip. We should see some numbers. This mango thing. That's a nice fruit. Best fruit ever. Mango. Space. Ascension. Reach the mountain summit. Okay, I'm gonna die. Arrow keys. Nope. This one. Okay. You can look around. And cold. Shift. Nope. Control. Nope. Ah, now we see the face. Look at me. She's not looking at me. Oh, fun. Spacebar, nothing happens. It's a cold day. It's a narrow path, that's for sure. Try not to get killed. You can look around. Oops. I just nearly killed myself. So if you look around with your mouse, oops, E to trap, E. All right, move. Why do I need to move right or left? Okay, there we are. I can move like this. Hold and press space. E to grab. How do I get up? They don't explain that to me. Space, Z space, Q. I don't need to jump like this, do I? Oh yeah, why not? Space jump. Jump up the next ledge. Oh my god, I'm just awesome. Now I know again why I'm not playing games. This is so stressful. And then there we are. How should I do? E. And up. Okay, why is everything yellow? Now what? Oh, Eric. What are you doing? Probably can't get up there. So, to the side. Now what? I'm hanging there. But I must admit, graphics are cool. No lags, no jitter. Every snowflake, I see it. Youpla! And a jump for me. Yay! Now what? Is it this way I should go? Oops! I guess not. And that's me, right? I get stuck in the beginning of a game, and then I say, whatever, I'll try again. No, I won't. I'll kill myself. That's what I say. I'll kill myself. But here you are. Oh yeah, we didn't see the game game frames per second measurement application. Mango hub. That's the name. So that's strange. Mango Hut was not loaded up. But there you go. Again, another video to show how everything is working. Maybe a quick technical thing because I'm in it for the technicality, and I hope Sublime still takes all the files. Yes, they are there. So close without saving. Here's your group code, and here's your make init CPO thing, and then you run make init CPO minus capital P. There is something changed there. Strange. Oops. Control Z, Control Y, Control Y. Oh, it's gone. Well, don't save it because it was okay. Nope. Now it's gone. The code is gone. Oh no, here it is. Here it is. Okay, everything cool. Put it back to Perl so the color makes sense. This is what we need to have, what we have. Alright. Alright guys, have fun. Game a little bit and enjoy ArcoLinux.